Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. LED camp light with power bank and solar panel from lighting expert Warsun, the model CP36. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manual. Type A to Type C for charging, 30 cm. And the lighting experts, Warsun. The solar panel. We can see 4 LED indicators. Right now it is 25% the charging level from the solar panel. And here we have another 4 LEDs. 3500K, 4500K, 5500K and 6500K the maximum. 4 LEDs. I like the design, small, portable, 8 by 8 and 3 cm the thickness, lightweight and easy to carry. You can store it anywhere, at your backpack, pocket, wherever you want. The hook, adjustable hook, 180 degrees hook to use as stand light on the ground or hang high as tent light. So many ways to use this light, this hook. And here we have this hole, you can mount a tripod. There it is, so easy. And you can use the light with your tripod. I like it, it is very convenient. At the front we have 48 LEDs, I will show you in a moment. Quickly switch between brightness levels with one button and then adjust with this button the lighting modes. We have 2 buttons. IPX5 water resistant and durable housing, making it suitable for various outdoor conditions, including rain and humid environments. Seal it very well, the ports. With the cable you can charge it. Plug in and charge it. You need a 5 volt 2 amps. It's charging. 25, 50, 75 and 100%. It is near fully charged. 4 LED indicators. Or with the same cable you can charge your smartphone, any device. Use the USB-A and charge your smartphone. Okay, let's try and use the cable that it comes with the smartphone. Now it's charging, perfect. Very convenient. You can use it as a power bank. I like it. And of course you can charge other devices. Any device with an output 5 volt. It's not a fast charger, but definitely on an emergency situation you can use it and give power to your smartphone at any device. The built-in 6000 mAh battery and solar backup charging provides between 6 to 48 hours of illumination, depending on the level of the sunlight and the selected brightness level. We have 4 lighting modes and 3 brightness levels. Let me show you. So with this button, first level, second, third, it is the maximum, 3 brightness levels. And with the other button, you can choose the lighting modes. First you need to turn on, this is the cool white, natural white, soft light and warm light. 4 lighting modes, the same and with the second brightness level. You can choose again one of the 4 lighting modes. And the highest, and off, from low to 1000 lumens. I like that it has the solar panel here. You can use the power of the sun and charge this light, this power bank. So let's give it a try, see how it looks at the night. find out the brightness. Have a look how well it can illuminate my area. Combining high brightness, multiple lighting modes, and convenient charging options, it serves as both an illumination source and a power bank for electronic devices. Perfect for bikers doing multi-day treks, festival goers needing campsite lighting, emergency preppers building survival kits, family campers who want convenience. And that's the Warsun LED cam light, your ultimate 3-in-1 survival sidekick. Bright LED light? Check. Power bank to charge your phone? Yep. Even a solar panel for off-grid use? Absolutely. This thing ready for blackouts, camping trips, emergencies, fishing, or just backyard hangs. If you are as obsessed with gear like this as I am, smash the like button, subscribe for more survival tech hacks, and tell me below, where would you take this camp light? Beach? Mountains? Zombie apocalypse? Let's hear it. Where to get it? Check today's price in the description. Thanks for watching, stay bright, stay charged, and I'll see you in the next adventure.